Yo, what is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a special one for you guys. As you know, my wife's been practicing on her brand new 2023 Benelli, and we're taking it to the streets for the first time, so wish her luck. She's been doing really good, so we're just gonna do a little short practice run and see how she does. She's coming to her first stop. There you go. And whenever you're ready, hold on, there's a car. All right, if you're ready, go ahead. Or because they're a-holes, right? All right. First stop sign, good to go. How you feeling?
I'm okay.
You want to say hello to the audience?
Hi, everybody.
Yeah, as you can tell, she's nervous. You're doing really good, babe. So we're gonna come up across our first bend. Like I said, just kind of lean a tiny bit. You'll feel it out.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm on
see?
third.
That's okay, yeah. I'll
Do I
switch to
turn?
third to match it. Yeah, go ahead and start slowing down. Maybe go down to second gear. There you go. And just lean into the turn. Lean, lean, lean. Perfect. That's a sharp turn too, so you did really well. But that's what I'm saying. You gotta fill out how much you need to lean for the turn. It'll take a little bit to get used to, but you're doing really good. But you see how it just kind of comes natural? Like
I
leaning
guess
a little bit. Well, alright, you're coming up to another turn. So just try and lean a bit harder on this one. Perfect. That's okay, that's okay.
Am I on second?
I couldn't tell you. I know, I wish your bike had a shift indicator. Usually you can tell by the RPM. I could probably hook one up to your bike, a little aftermarket shift indicator, so, or not shift indicator, but a gear indicator.
Okay, what do we do now?
You can turn in and we can turn around if you want. So far, so good. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So once
Doing amazing.
Once it is on first, it will not let you keep shifting down, right?
Nope. No, once you're in first, I mean, you can keep, yeah, it'll be like kind of hard. It won't do anything. Very good. So, how was your first run?
I'm scared.
But you did really good. Now you just got to feel the bike out to be able to kind of calculate how much you need to learn or lean for a turn, but those were really sharp turns and you did really good.
I'm sweating.
Ready for round two?
Not really.
Huh?
There's just a lot of people.
Where?
Everywhere. I guess I'm just scared to turn, like to accelerate on first.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's very torquey, so I get it. Yeah, your clutch work is amazing. I mean, really, you got it. It's all about just figuring out your turns and stuff now.
I think it's mainly because I know how to drive stick.
Yeah. Yeah, you got the experience. Should be good after this truck.
Go?
Yep, whenever you're ready. There you go.
Oh. It's a car.
Guys, smash that like button for my wife's success. Show her what you guys can do. Look at that! Freaking natural born rider.
Oh my god. I forget this is a cliff. Oh.
It's okay. Nothing. Yeah, just take your time with it.
Oh, and then it's downhill. Then it's downhill. Oh,
That's okay. Just stay in the low gear.
I'm on second.
Look at that. Money. Doing so good, babe. And just gradually brake as you're coming down the hill. You don't want to jab it or anything, but just slow yourself down. There you go. Just ease into it. That way it's not so hard once you get down the hill. I mean, you've already came across major obstacles that you've flown through.
I'm in neutral.
Oh, okay. I would have stayed in like second or first gear, just because the motor helps you, you know, decrease power. All right, you're good if you're ready. Look at that. You're a natural.
Oh, shoot. James Bond. We drive on the right side. Oh, okay. Oh my God, there's a lot of vehicles,
That's okay. Go ahead. I got you. You want to take fifth or sixth?
Sixth.
Okay. Right behind you. I'm thoroughly impressed. I've seen guys start out worse than this. Alright, you're clear. What a rock star. Yeah, and just always try and pay attention to your surroundings, you know, look for rocks, dirt, you know. You'll start to learn to like really look ahead and like look and see what other drivers are doing and stuff like that. It'll take some time, but you'll become really aware.
Okay, I'm in third. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. You can look at your RPMs too and see where your RPMs are.
I'm slouching over because I'm so nervous. I look like a hunchback.
Oh, you're doing great.
Okay, my hands are getting really like, I don't know.
It's because you're holding on so tight.
Okay.
Even my hands get numb. They're numb right now, my throttle hands.
I think I'm gonna go the... Ah! Should we take Avenue E or what?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you don't want to take the boulevard.
Why?
Because it's busier. But you can if you want to. This is your show.
Am I in first?
Yeah, probably. If you can't go anymore. Are you in neutral?
Is first down?
Yeah, it's
down. Sorry.
Go ahead. Push it. There you go.
It won't go.
Because you're in neutral. There you go.
There we go. Oh, I'm getting nervous.
Well, nervous is what's going to make you do funny things. Just calm down. You're chilling. You're doing amazing.
Okay, I'm in third.
I mean, first time on the street and look at how far you've come. That's impressive.
I don't like stop signs.
It's okay. You'll get used to them. What you won't like are lights. because you'll hit a red light and then hit a green one, and then you got to figure out what gear you're gonna be in.
Okay. I'm sorry. She made me nervous. And I'm getting really nervous when it comes to first gear.
That's okay.
Is there cars behind us? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Alrighty guys, we successfully made it to Grandma's. Now we're on our way back. She's doing really, really good. How you liking it, babe?
I really like it.
Heck yeah, bro.
But I'm still scared.
Well, you will be for a little while. It's okay. But are you having fun?
Yeah?
That's all that matters.
Oops.
Your blinker. Nice. Nope, still on. There you go. So crazy seeing you on a bike.
I know. It's so
What
crazy
the
that I
hell?
know. What happened?
My bike keeps dying for some reason.
Uh-oh.
It rains, it pours.
It's like, it's okay, because you have another bike.
Yeah. Maybe she's mad because she thinks I'm gonna replace her.
No. Now I know what you mean by, like, you know, when the wiggle, when you hit something and you start to wiggle.
Yeah.
That was Chase, huh?
Where?
He just went by.
Oh, I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at a smudge mark in the camera. Or like moisture or something.
I'm in third. Should I shift to fourth?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds much better.
Alrighty guys, well that concludes her first street ride. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like this. I think it's pretty dope. What's this fool doing? Wow, really? What a fucking douchebag. Yeah, you're gonna deal with shit like that too. Anyway guys, smash that like button if you liked the video. Leave a comment down below and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.